scan my car. I'm having some misfires, and then I'm going to show you what the codes are and what I'm going to do to try to fix the problem. So let's see. So on this one, I have to turn on the vehicle for the scanner to read it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll tell you one thing right now, that the scanner sucks because they want you to buy the codes on here for you to see it, but you can just go online and just pretty much online will tell you what the codes are. But in order for them to tell you on here, they want you to pay for it. That's kind of retarded. So let's go to the bottom. Let's see if it's there. So I have 7 codes. Right here, 7 codes. This is 1 out of 7. And for them to read the code for me, or read the code, they want you to pay $12. But that's not gonna happen. So this is one code, PO300, random multiple misfire. So because I have pretty much 2 misfires. So misfire detected. Then we go to code 2. This code 2 is PO302. This is cylinder 2 misfire detected. So that's 2. So we're going to go to code 3. Code 3 is PO170. So pretty much it's fuel trim bank 1. And then it's gonna go PO173. I have a misfire confirmed. Bank 2, because this is cylinder 4, it goes to bank 2, as you can see right there. And it's gonna go low on. So this is let me see, this is PO304, cylinder 4 misfire, and it's gonna go to fuel trim. So this is PO170. This is bank 1. So that's bank 1, and then we're gonna go to, let me see, the other one's gonna be PO173, bank 2. The cylinders read by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is bank 1. These 3 are bank 1. These 3 are bank 2. Usually when it says lean on fuel, is because the fuel is not burning, the spark's not strong enough. So these seem to be working a little better than the ones I got from AutoZone. And the sparks are hitting, the misfire is gone. Pretty much this car's been sitting here for a while. I have to put high premium fuel to get those sparks and the cylinder heads cleaned out again, because there's a lot of oil and fuel build up in there. So pretty much I'm gonna just check the coils, check the connections, see if the connections are on there good, check the ground, and see what's going on in there. I have extra ones, I'm gonna just replace them because I know these ones are good, and then we'll go from there. It looks good, but I'm gonna put the other ones on here. When you put these in, you want to make sure you push it down and it bounces right back up. It has resistance. started all this was my valve cover gasket. It was leaking. The oil seeped through the gasket and started flooding my cylinders, causing misfires and causing the engine to stall. So that's what started it all.